Hi, and welcome to Open House at North Windham Elementary School. My name is Mrs. McCormick, and I started teaching at North Windham School in 2016. This will be my 6th year teaching first grade. I am on the PTO, I love teaching, and I believe that learning should be fun and exciting. Also, I believe that communication between home and school is important. Feel free to contact me by email, Class Dojo, Parent Square, phone call, or Seesaw anytime. In our classroom, we have 4 classroom agreements. These are the rules that the students follow. We have attentive listening, appreciation no put-downs, mutual respect, and the right to participate or pass. For the last one, it means that they can participate in our activities, but they can pass on raising a hand and sharing in front of the whole group. In the class, we have Class Dojo points, where the students receive points for following these rules and also helping others, passing their power goal, participating, staying on task, and just working hard. They can trade in points for prize from the prize box and also for other activities such as lunch with the teacher or extra recess time. And the class also can earn pajama day and other whole class events. This year in first grade, we are going to be doing lots of learning. In math, we will be doing addition and subtraction to 20, and then by the end of the year, we will get to adding and subtracting within 100. We will be doing word problems. We will be working with 2D and 3D shapes. We will also be working with measurement and telling time to the hour and half hour. In reading and writing, we will be writing narratives, we will be researching on wild and endangered animals, plants, and we will also be writing family stories. We do a lot of reading. In science, we have an Earth and Space unit, light and sound energy, plants, and animals. The last 2 work really well with our research writing labs, and they do a lot of research while we read, and then they are able to create a final project and presentation to give to parents. We use American Reading Company. So this is our reading program, and we have different color levels so the students know what color level they are so that they know what just right book to read. In our program, the students work really hard on a power goal, so one tiny part of reading that they're really focused on mastering, and then they get a new one every few weeks or sooner if they master it quicker. The students do a lot of reading, and we also get new library bins when we change to a different research topic. This year, we do use technology, not as much as last year, but to find the technology, you would go on to Clever, and the students would look for Mrs. McCormick's icon. It's a picture of me sitting on a bunch of books. Inside Clever, that's where you can access Seesaw, where there are some interactive assignments that they may have. Also, we have Epic, which is a spot where the students can read books or listen to books. We have iReady Reading and iReady Math lessons, which are lessons that are just right for each student based on what they already know and need to learn. Extra Math is our fluency program, where they try to work really hard at knowing how to add within 10 very quickly. Teacher Monster is a program where the students are learning letter sounds, sight words, and reading full sentences while doing games that their monster can earn points for. And finally, we have the Ark Bookshelf, which is the online resource to go with our American Reading Company. Students can go onto it and click onto their color level and be able to read books. Homework this year is going to be a reading log. Starting Monday, September 27th, students are going to getting a green and black reading book bin bag to take home between school and home. Inside will be a reading log. For every 15 minutes, the student is read to or reads they get to log 1 step. So during that 15 minutes, if they read for 15 minutes but they read 5 books, you only record 1 step, and they just have to write one of the books that they read. Once they've completed the log, they get a prize from my prize box. We also have a reading log that we fill out in school, and students get awards once they hit milestones for the amount of steps that they have read. Specials this year is on a rotating schedule. We started off with Explorations, which is library and technology, and then we switched to PE. Starting tomorrow, on September 24th, we are going to be having music with Miss Rainwater. And then on October 12th, we'll switch to art, and then we will rotate back around to Explorations, PE, music, art, and we'll keep rotating every few weeks until the end of the school year. In our classroom, we have work buddies. To have your work buddy, you must be doing your work, you must treat your work buddy kindly and safely, and the work buddies need to stay in the classroom at all times. If a student is not doing their work, then their work buddy will go into resting space, and they will be able to return the work buddy back to them when they are doing their first grade job. The students are not allowed to take the work buddies home until the end of the year. Information. So if there is a change in your child's dismissal routine, or even if they were out one day, please send a note or call the main office, or even just send me a message on Dojo or Parent Square. In our classroom, we have a free and healthy snack that's provided by the school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and students must wear their uniforms and masks each day. Additional information: each day that the whole class is here, we earn a letter for our perfect attendance. Once our class spells out the word perfect attendance, Mrs. Baumgardner and Miss Majak give our class a popsicle party where each student gets to enjoy a popsicle for being able to be at school for a perfect attendance. Now, to contact me, you can email me at the address given. You can call me at the school on that extension. You can send a note or send a message on Class Dojo or Parent Square. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or write a note. I am here to answer any questions that you have. We are going to have an amazing first grade year.